This study showcases the Azteca web app, which uses blockchain technology to capture Indigenous provenance value and transform supply chain data governance in the Australian Indigenous foods and botanical industry. Such transformation may play a key role in achieving economic, community, and ecological sustainability for Indigenous communities in Australia. It can address critical issues like fraudulent native or Indigenous products, lack of transparency, compliance costs, and monitoring challenges, and can thus ensure authenticity and reliability every step of the way from farm to table. Blockchain is a compatible technology that can strengthen governance through its unique features of decentralization, immutability, and transparency. Firstly, in today's world, buyers, regulators, and consumers demand transparency. They want to know how products are produced, whether they are authentic and sustainable, and whether the growers and harvesters get fair prices. They also want to know if the certifications, origin information, product labeling, and other marketing claims are reliable. Secondly, as native foods and botanicals are based on deeply rooted traditional knowledge, there is a great interest among the Indigenous growers in showcasing their products' authenticity and the related cultural stories. We developed a blockchain-enabled web app called Azteca to create and distribute provenance information throughout the supply chain of Indigenous foods and botanicals. Azteca bridges supply and demand, empowering Indigenous harvesters and growers to showcase authenticity and cultural stories while generating valuable data for the chain members. Our paper shows how technology design and applications have been developed in a cooperative governance model using a resources, events, and agents framework. In this proof of concept phase, we engaged the user community to identify key types of information needed from members of the Indigenous foods and botanical supply chain. They were given the necessary training before starting the supply chain data collection. This community engagement helped the team produce customizable features for the first version of the web app to streamline supply chain data governance. At this early stage, the web app offers a user-friendly experience by providing businesses and consumers with clarity, security, and reliability in product certification, authentication, and provenance, paving the way for a more transparent and trustworthy marketplace. In the next phase, further feedback generation will occur, engaging 3 user groups: Indigenous users, researchers, and technical users. Upon completing the whole supply chain data governance and infrastructure development, the Indigenous harvesters and growers will be able to showcase their authenticity and cultural claims with data security. At the same time, customers and end consumers can access certificates and claim details to obtain clear and reliable information. We believe a similar approach may also be applied to any other geographical context, such as authentic tea heritage in China.